Hi guys, hope you guys are doing great. I have been asked this question many a times whether walking is an activity or is it an exercise. Actually, there are two questions inbuilt in this one question. I'll be dealing it in two parts, and this video is part one, where we first need to understand the difference between an activity and exercise in order to answer this question. And in the follow-up video, I will be trying to classify walking as an activity or as an exercise. Now, coming to activity versus exercise, what exactly is activity? In fact, anything that we do, any movement that we make is an activity. Going from one room to the other is an activity. Walking up the stairs is an activity. Brushing our teeth is an activity. So, each and every movement that we make is an activity. By this definition, every exercise will also be an activity, but every activity will not be an exercise. Now, how does an activity become an exercise is what we need to understand. So, without going into the technical definitions and the scientific explanation, I'll try to answer this in a very simple and layman's language. An activity becomes an exercise when it is stretched beyond a limit which in normal circumstances we would not cross. Now, what does that mean? For example, I just referred to walking up the stairs. Say you live on the second floor and you take up the stairs every day. Now, at the end of the second floor, your heartbeat will rise to a certain level because walking up the stairs takes some amount of effort. So, now does this mean that just because the heartbeat has gone up a little bit, can it be called a cardio exercise? No. It is at most you can call it a cardio activity. Now, in order to make this a cardio exercise, this status of increased heartbeat has to be stretched for a period of say 20, 30, 40 minutes, and then only can it be called a cardio exercise. So what you do, you don't stop at two floors and you keep walking floor after floor for a period of say 20, 30, 40 minutes, of course with certain amount of rest in between. Then it becomes a cardio exercise. And obviously the intention for this has to be that you want to either maintain or improve your fitness. So to summarize, exercise is nothing but a set of activities repeated in a planned and structured manner where the physical limits are stretched and the intention is either to maintain or improve fitness. I hope I have been able to explain the difference between the two. If you still have any queries, please put it in the comment section. I will try to address them. In the next video, I will try to classify walking either as an activity or an exercise. Right. Thanks, guys. Thanks for listening. Till we meet again, be healthy, be happy. Thank you.